Breaking good news for Afghanistan nationals. TPS, Temporary Protected Status. In this video, we will talk about TPS. Bijoux.ngwanda here, immigration lawyer in the DC metropolitan area. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoy the content, please go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Let's get right into it. TPS, what is TPS? Okay, temporary protected status. That is where the United States government and a country or designate a country as a TPS. So people from that country, either you were born there or you were born somewhere else, but you have that nationality of that specific country that has been designated for TPS, you can have the right to remain in the U.S. lawfully, work, and eventually apply for a travel document. So that is what has happened for Afghanistan. Last time we were talking about Ukraine, and now it's Afghanistan that has been added. So what is the deadline or the cutoff date? The cutoff date is March 15, 2022. If you have been here as of March 15, 2022, and you are a national of Afghanistan, provided that you pass background check and other security checks, then you will be eligible basically to apply for TPS once the federal notice, register federal notice, publish that rule, and then you'll be able to apply for TPS. Instructions will be given. But really, the cutoff date is March 15, 2022. Afghanistan nationals will be able to apply. So let's answer some of those most or frequently asked questions about TPS. The first question is, I wasn't born in Afghanistan, but I have an Afghanistan nationality. Can I apply for TPS? The answer is, if you have the Afghanistan nationality, yes, you can apply for TPS, provided again that you pass the background check. So the second question is, I have dual citizenship. Can I still apply for TPS when it comes to being coming from a country or having a nationality from a country that has been designated for TPS? The answer in this question will vary. Let's say you enter the US, and when you enter the US, what type of nationality did you claim? If you claim the nationality of that country that has been designated, then the answer is yes, you can apply for TPS, but you can't claim another nationality. And then when it comes to TPS, your country now being designated for TPS, now you want to change because they will go with what you have been claiming when you enter this country, okay? So that's how it works when it comes to dual nationality. I have done a video about dual nationality and TPS. You can go ahead and actually watch it to make sure that you are on the right path for TPS. What if I came after March 15? Unfortunately, for Afghanistan, if you came in the country after March 15, 2022, you will not be qualified for TPS. Can I apply just myself? And then will my application be considered for my family members? No, unfortunately, TPS is individual. Each family member must apply individually, right? They have to fill out their own application individually and pay the application fees. If you cannot afford the application fees, unfortunately, you can, fortunately, actually, you can actually apply for a waiver, fee waiver, and hope that you qualify for it. So basically, that's what it is. Well, can I change later from TPS to a green card? Yes, there are 4 ways to change from TPS to green card. Once you get that lawful status in terms of lawfully present, then you can adjust status. Let's say you had a petition pending, and then that family petition get approved, and now you have TPS, and TPS has waived your unlawful presence. Now you can adjust status to family member. You can adjust status to work. You can adjust status by sponsoring yourself. You can adjust status, that's EB2, right? If you meet those requirements, of course. You can adjust status, again, if you apply for a green card in terms of self-employed or basically investor. You can adjust status. But one thing to keep in mind is that TPS is not admission. So let's say, for example, somebody came to the US unlawfully, entry without inspection, and now their country has been designated for TPS, right? They can get the TPS, lawful presence, TPS, work permit, travel document, why not? But they will not be able to adjust status inside the US unless they qualify for those 3 exceptions we've talked about, entry without inspection and its exceptions, or let's say waiver is warranted in their situation. So that's what it is. If you need a consultation with me, please go ahead and call my office, 202-751-2180. Email on display. Consultation fees apply. Until next time, bye-bye.